I thought ecom was dead for the longest time. Come to find out it's only evolved. Bro, e-commerce as a whole can never be dead, right? Everyone says dropshipping's dead. Everyone says this is dead, this is dead, this is dead. 99% of the time, it's just to sell you something. It's just to market something. You're saying this is shit, go do this instead. They're selling you this kind of thing, right? So nothing's dead. Like nothing's actually dead. Every single thing works, whether that's selling concrete or whether that's selling waffles, which I've done in the past, or it's Etsy dropshipping, right? Shopify dropshipping. Nothing's dead. Everything works. Some things have a higher barrier to entry. So selling concrete, big barrier to entry, right? You got to figure out everything. There's not much information about it online, stuff like this. Shopify dropshipping, there's a lot of information about it online. There's a lot of people doing it as well, right? There's a lot of people out there doing Shopify dropshipping. So it means it's a very busy, saturated industry, right? I prefer to use busy than saturated, but that's pretty much that, right? Whereas with Etsy dropshipping to be specific, there's no information about it online, right? Literally no information about it online. Like I didn't learn it from someone else. Shopify dropshipping, someone else told me about it, someone else taught me. But Etsy dropshipping, I literally figured it out. I was like, fuck, you can do this. It was actually kind of crazy. Literally the first month so I already had a home goods store. There was originally dropshipping. I transitioned it over to bulk stock and like custom products. I added those products literally because I felt like it to Etsy because I was running a sweet store on Etsy. I added those products and it just worked pretty much instantly. So I kind of discovered it and then I went through a massive testing phase of testing all the different systems, product research, product listing, like all the SEO, advertising things. Took me a while to figure it out, took me a while to learn it, but now it's going obviously super well. So nothing's dead, right? E-commerce is definitely not dead. It's on the fucking rise. Year over year, it's growing. And also like, maybe some of you guys have seen this stuff like COVID V2, this bullshit. If that happens, it's going to be amazing for everyone in here. Like, I must say that now. COVID V1 was amazing for me because everyone just buys from e-com stores now, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.